What's up guys? I'm going to be playing Airsoft Center on Roblox. Sorry about over there, just don't worry about that. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to construction site. I'm going to be playing on my Xbox controller. It's kind of doinky, but let's turn auto join on, then deploy. Go. I forgot I switched out my gun. I used to have an AK-47, but I switched to this LMD. Oh my. I actually just got destroyed. I'm looking everywhere on the screen. Here are my eyes. There has to be someone there. That has to be a long shot. Got him. Got them both. I got them both. Peek. There was someone right behind me, but I was basically trapped. I should have just killed the person behind me. There's someone up there. There's someone up there. He's right there. He's right there. He died. Got that guy. Bro, my brother just stubbed his toe in his room. He might walk in my room, I don't know. Going up here. I swear I saw someone's head. Go. So some. Oh, that's not a person. I thought that was someone like prone. Oh my gosh, I saw him with the corner of my eye. There's two people! Oh gosh, there's three people way over there. No scope. Saw someone right there. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. Got him. I'm trying my best. Oh, I thought I was tilted. Got him. I don't know how I missed all those shots, but I killed him. Get him. I got him. Get that guy. Get that guy. Get him. Get that guy. Get that guy. Oh my gosh, I'm spawn camping. I can't, I feel kind of bad. I actually feel kind of bad that I'm spawn camping. Okay, I feel kind of bad. I'm probably gonna stop. Nope, not if I get this much kills. I thought I could beat him. Now they're gonna start spawn camping, so watch our backs. I'm not serious, like watch your back. That guy has a basic AK-47, no scope, iron sights, and he just destroyed. There's no way. See, they're starting to come to our place, so I swear, someone's up here. I swear I saw someone. I saw a little head pop up. What if I just shoot randomly? Yeah, that's never gonna work, so let's go. I don't know where my microphone's coming from. It's probably there or here. It's probably here. Is it on? Yeah. So it's probably coming from here. Bang. Okay. Let's try to get it. Got him. I got him. Where'd he at? Okay, he died. What the? That actually scared me really bad. I had no idea. Go first person! Go first person! Where's your gun? I don't have a gun! I gotta go punch him in the face. It's not fair, I didn't have a gun. Pistol. Got him with the pistol. Wow. I got him with a pistol. I got him with the pistol. Right there. Got him. It's always that guy. That guy always kills me. He has an LMG or whatever. I thought he had the AK-47 at the start. Let's go. He's right there. He's right in there. Got him. Get on top of... And it's always bacon soup. Feels kind of weird to say. He's in here. He's in here. He's on the roof. Let's go kill him. Where'd he go? He's gone. Okay. I just killed him with a pistol from like, I don't know, like, ow! I would rather say 100 meters, but like, there's no way that's 100 meters. I was literally about to snipe that other guy in the head, but then this guy behind me just smoked me. See, now they're spawn camping. Kevin is behind us. Kevin is behind us. Someone got Kevin. That was cute. Someone did not get Kevin. Where? Got him! Let's go! Does he spawn over here? Like, what? We might end the video. Hold on. I'm gonna die real quick. Okay. Okay. I died. What is happening? Let's check how long this video is. 9 minutes? Okay. I literally... Come on. I don't have any gun! Sorry. gonna do anything. Like, how do I... Okay, I'm first person, finally. It's going past my gun. It's going past my gun. I want this to be automatic, but it's semi-automatic. Semi-automatic, or whatever it's called. He's in there, alright. I see someone. I can't hit a shot. Never mind. Why didn't I shoot Ghost first, bro? I could have just destroyed him and then shoot those other people. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Got him. He's up there. He's up there, alright. And that guy, oh my gosh, Dragon Killer, bro. Who is Dragon Killer? Let's go! I killed that other guy, I think. He's right there. That bacon suit guy! Bro, he's just cranking. You gotta get him. Get him. Get him, boys. Get him. Come in, get him. You killed him? Nice. My teammate. I'm so done with this game. And you know what I just said? I am done with this game. Let's just go real quick. What is happening? I can't even find my mouse, bro. Disable auto spawn. Okay. So, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next upload comes. And stay tuned for more better videos than this one. Bye! I wasn't looking at the camera, but still, bye.